guys, I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and today I'm here with Matt Field, Formula Drift Pro driver. So Matt, tell us a little bit about how you chose your angle kit.
It's funny. I didn't choose the angle kit chose me. I've had a partnership with Part Shop Max for 10 plus years. I was literally a little kid driving with the owner of Part Shop Max back in the All-Star Bash days at Willow Springs, looking at his ideas and communicating back and forth, and finally he was like, all right, stop stealing my ideas, like we want to partner with you and we want, here, try this out. So one of the huge reasons why we decided to go with the Corvette was because Part Shop Max decided that they were going to adopt the platform and make everything for it.
Wow.
And Part Shop Max they don't dabble. They don't just like, oh, here's a knuckle or here's this. If they're gonna accept the chassis, they build everything for it. Like bolt-on pieces, race car pieces, everything in between. Working with Dan, the owner of Part Shop Max, is what inspired me to be like, okay, I have their supports, therefore I'm willing to build a new chassis, because I just don't have the capacity to build all my own arms, especially like I beat the crap out of it. I break shit all the time. So there's no way I could keep up with my own braking. And that's kind of what led me to be like, okay, we can do this. We're gonna develop a knuckle. And even what's on this car now has been through like 5 iterations. We've changed the upper control arm, we changed the lower control arm, and we've probably changed the knuckle 5 different times to come to something that I'm incredibly happy with. And there's still a constant development. Like this car has straight Corvette style brakes on here. And with the demo car, they literally came out with a knuckle like 3 weeks ago that uses Nissan brakes. So it's still changing even to this day.
So what kind of tips do you have for the folks at home if they're trying to choose what their angle kit would be?
The biggest thing that you have to remember is purchase within your means. Don't overbuild a car that you can't afford to build, can't afford to run, can't afford to drive. If you're gonna build a badass competition car, you're like, yeah, I love this stuff. I think it's unmatched. And the greatest thing is that they have different levels. If you want to have more of a factory car that you just pal around with your buddies and run into them on the weekends at a track, then you can get this knuckle. Or if you really want to take the next step, then you can get this knuckle. And they have everything for C5, C6, and C7.
So what's the angle you're running, or is that part of the secret sauce?
So the funny thing is, it's like everyone likes to talk about the number, the overall 72 degrees. That really doesn't matter after 60 degrees. And I'm being honest, and that's because there's only so much usable angle that you can have. And yeah, having a ton of like a high numerical number for angle is great for those oh shit situations where you're saving yourself. But as long as you got 60 degrees, you're more than enough. And I think this thing's like 65, 68 degrees.
He said it.
But it also depends. It really depends, right? Because certain tracks I'll put a little bit more or less active in. Okay. Some bumps stop in, change the alignment just a little bit. So it's constantly changing.
Is it possible to buy this? Like, have they done a custom kit for anyone to buy it based on your C6 Corvette?
The beautiful thing about my car is at the end of the day, you can buy everything that I have.
Okay.
Like, there's not a lot of whole, like, one-off pieces. Everything, like, you can order that's from this company, and including the Part Shop Max suspension. Yes, what I have is the top of the line stuff, but yeah, you can hop on the website right now and literally buy exactly what I have.
Well, awesome. Well, make sure that you catch Matt on Throdle for the 2023 season and what he's doing to his car build. So thanks very much, guys.
Hell yeah, thank you guys.